A warm welcome, dear students. Today I am going to begin with 8th chapter in economics. Name of the chapter is agriculture sector. So first of all, since ancient times, India has been an agricultural nation due to the high dependency on this sector for agricultural production, for employment and even for exports. Thus, it is like the lifeline of India and therefore it has the status of being the backbone of the economy. Indian economy is dependent on agriculture for various aspects because if the Indian agricultural sector fails to produce food grains, vegetables, fruits and flowers, these are not the only things which get affected, but even the raw material which are cash crops and are used in industries, that also fails. And in that situation, agricultural goods are not available in enough quantity. Therefore, they become costly, which influences the life of the people. As we all know that a big proportion of India's population, nearly 70%, live in the rural areas. And if agricultural production fails, then income of a big mass gets negatively affected. Due to this, there will be a reduction in demand for industrial products. Therefore, the industries will have to suffer because on one side they are not able to get enough raw materials, and on the other side industrial products are also not being demanded by the people as their income are very low. Therefore, there would be a very low demand for these products. So finally it can be said that if agricultural sector fails, then industrial sector also fails. And when both are badly affected, the third sector, which is the service sector, also faces a fall in its demand as well as income. Hence, if agriculture sector fails, then entire economy fails. And in short, once the agriculture sector succeeds, then the whole nation progresses. Hence, agriculture sector is known to be the backbone of nation. India utilizes industrialization since the second 5-year plan of 1956. Government of India has made efforts to industrialize the nation, but even today India is an agriculture oriented economy. Therefore, India is said to be an agricultural nation where the development rate of economy is mainly dependent on the growth of agriculture sector. Thank you, students.